amores, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a Curlkit unboxing. I'm really excited because this was the box for my month and I'm really excited to see what they have to offer this month. Especially if you guys didn't know, Curlkit is a subscription box for girls with curly hair or boys, you know. And they send you full-size bottles and sample bottles for you to try from curly hair companies, and it is well worth, I think, like $20–$25, but the amount of product that you get is at least like sometimes $50, $60. That's how much this box is worth. So I really think that you guys should hop on this ASAP. I'm gonna go ahead and leave my coupon code down below. You can use 10% off, I think, on your first order. And yeah, y'all, let's get this unboxing popping. Let's go. Blah, I can't even talk. They always send a magazine with these boxes, and this one's theme is Couture Bride Edition. They always have some gorgeous people like in the freaking magazine. I just love it. It always gives you tips and it's like a little newsletter kind of, and I love it. I really think it's really nice for them to sometimes explain some curly hair tips. Some tips I actually have learned from these magazines, and I'm like a low-key curly hair guru, so I feel like these are really informative, so I really suggest to read them. I'll read back to this, but they have some really good themes. Some months are really, oh, this looks like a lot. All right, so this is Clear Eyes Aloe Styler Non-Flaking Hydrating Styling Gel. Oh my gosh, I haven't used gel since like freaking high school. It's been a long time since I've used gel, and I'll give it a try. It says here it's free of alcohol, parabens, and proteins and dyes. I think the ones that I used to use back in high school, I'm gonna put it right here. Those were the ones that I used to use way back in high school that used to like have my hair looking wet the whole time. My hair wasn't even fluffy, it was damaged. That hair gel was just not what my hair was looking for. This looks really hydrating, so I'll go ahead and look into this. It says good for natural hair. That's what's up. I like that. And the first ingredient is agua, water, you know, if you guys don't know, but it's just, so let me see how it smells. Damn, it smells pretty good. It smells fresh. I like it. Second here is DD Dynamic Duo Hair Hydrating Anti-Breakage Styling Leave-In Co-Washers. And what? Skin Smoothing, Moisturizing, Nourishing. This is what's popping. You can use this on your hair and your skin. Okay, cool. I'm all for it. And it lasts us 12 months, so definitely all for it. Apply to clean or damp or dry hair. So literally I can just put this in my bag and go and use this for my skin and my hair. I am loving this. I'm pretty surprised that they're giving us, I'm really surprised. Sometimes they do throw like beauty stuff in the boxes, which I love. It is not always about curly hair, and I do appreciate that. This says Crown Growth Oil. Our Crown Growth Oil encourages moisture and growth by providing the necessary nutrients. Sounds good. Let me smell it. I'm a sucker for how like some products smell. Oh, this definitely smells like some hair treatment. Okay, I would have to wash my hair really well. Whoa, African Black Soap Facial and Scrub Anti-Acne Clarifying from Nubian Heritage. Yo, I love Nubian. Okay, calm down, Nita. I love Nubian Heritage. They have some really, really good products from this company, and I'm so happy y'all sent me this. Thank you so much, Curlkit. And this is well, I'm just wowed right now that I'm just really surprised right now that they're sending such high quality like skin stuff right now. This is a Shine and Jam Black and Castor Oil Flaxseed Oil Styler. So this is really interesting for me because I don't really use like gels and stuff. So I'm gonna like give it a try. These gels smell really good. Like, golly, I want to use them for sure. No alcohol, no parabens. That's like what I love about this Curlkit, is that they only send like natural things, and I do appreciate that so much, because they're not, you know, misleading. They say that they do, it is a Curlkit for natural girls, so I am living for this box right now. And lastly, this is Heavenly Hair Moisturizing Shampoo infused with argan oil and shea butter. No sulfates, parabens, gluten, mineral oil, growth and for strengthening hair. I have never seen this brand in my life, so I don't want to say skeptical, but this is like, okay, let me see. All right. Damn. Okay, so no wonder. So by the way this smells, no wonder your hair's gonna grow, because this definitely has argan oil, and it's like a little bit of pepper too. It smells really clean. I can't explain it. It smells like it's gonna really refresh my hair. So it's I can't even tell. It smells like it's gonna really refresh my scalp. Oh my god, that really nice clean. Ooh, that feeling. Oh my god, I love that feeling. I'm gonna smell it again, because I don't know what it is. It's like, it smells like argan oil, but like mixed with tea tree oil with a little bit of like peppermint. I don't know, but I'm really excited to actually use this. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much, guys. That is the month of August with Curlkit. I am so happy with the products. Literally, I just love receiving this box every month. I really look forward and using it. And even sometimes things that I don't use, I just like give them to my friends or my mom. I know I'm not going to use it, I do give it away, so my house isn't like stacking up with curly products, because sometimes it looks crazy in here with how much curly product I have. And yeah, y'all, that is it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.